origin. Yes, last lecture what we completed.
So the origin of the magnetism and two nodes.
Sir, we completed the origin of magnetism.
Acha, that
And you gave two nodes.
para, di, ferro. That I have explained you.
Yes.
Para, di, ferro I have done.
Means that diamagnetic, paramagnetic, right?
That I have done.
Yes.
And ferromagnetism on the basis of domain theory. That also I have done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sure. Origin of magnetism. Now, Earth's magnetism. Earth behaves like giant magnet. Now, inside the earth, we have got solid liquid gas, which is called biosphere, if you know.
Yes, sir.
So this iron particles or copper, when melted, they contain free electron.
Yes.
So at the core, when this charges moves in a circle, are they like current carrying loop?
Yes, sir.
Current carrying loop means it will create magnetic field.
Yes.
If it is having magnetic field means it has magnetism. So it is assumed that there is a earth का magnet. ये imaginary है, उधर कोई magnet नहीं है. Because of this motion of charged particle which are molten metallic fluid, we get electric current. Hence we get magnetic field. So it is assumed there is a magnet inside having north pole, south pole as shown. This is called Earth's magnetism. Earth behaves like giant magnet due to flow of molten metallic fluid in its core. It behaves like molten metallic fluid in its core. 1 second. So if this is Earth, this is called geographical axis.
Yes, sir.
Slightly away from this axis is magnetic axis. This is called geographical axis, which passes through geographical north pole and south pole of Earth. Here I said it is assumed there is a magnet with north pole and south pole as shown. So this axis is called as magnetic axis. And this angle is called as angle of declination. It is approximately 11.3 degree. So this concept followed first. Why Earth is behaving like magnet?
Yes, sir.
Because Earth ka andar there is molten metal because of high temperature. So these electrons they move, hence they give rise to current, hence they produce magnet. So we assume एक छोटा सा magnet Earth के core में है with north and south pole. So just write that much and draw diagram.
Done, sir.
Okay. I'm drawing diagram of Earth's magnetic field. Magnetic field starts from where to where?
So starts from North Pole and to South Pole.
Correct. Starts from north and terminates in South Pole. So is slightly tilted is geographic magnetic North Pole and South Pole. So if I imagine अर्थ का मैग्नेट का यहाँ पे साउथ पोल है ना और इधर नॉर्थ पोल बराबर.
Yes, sir.
So it will start from north, go towards south. Starts from north, goes towards south. Starts from north and goes towards south. Start from north, goes to south. Okay, followed? Direction of magnetic field followed?
Yes, sir.
You can draw any number of. I have drawn 4. You can draw 10, 20, anything. This is magnetic meridian. And ये मैग्नेटिक थोड़ा इंक्लाइन और एकदम परपेंडिकुलर अगर बनाया टू दिस and this will be geographic meridian, correct?
Yes, sir.
So itna diagram bano to understand the magnetic axis, magnetic field. Then we'll see define the following. First, geographic axis. Second, magnetic axis. Always magnetic needle will be in the direction of field, that remember. Somewhere I will write note. Below this diagram I am writing note. The magnetic compass needle is in the direction of magnetic field, in the direction of Earth's magnetic field. Yes, drawn.
Yes.
Okay. What is geographic axis? A line joining geographical North Pole and South Pole is called as geographic axis. Magnetic axis, a line joining North Pole and South Pole of Earth's magnet is called as magnetic axis.
Done, sir.
Geographic meridian. A plane passing a vertical plane passing through geographic axis is called as geographic meridian. Magnetic meridian. A vertical plane passing through magnetic axis is called as magnetic meridian. Right. Written?
Written, sir.
Okay. Angle of declination denoted by D. Angle between geographic axis and magnetic axis is called as angle of declination. It is found to be nearly 11.3 degree. This also written?
Written, sir.
Okay. Have you seen magnetic compass needle?
Yes, sir.
This way it is na, rotating in horizontal plane. ऐसे ऐसे.
Yes, sir.
इसको अगर हम लोग वर्टिकल कर देना, so that it can rotate in this plane, तो उसको dip angle बोल, dip needle बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
Dip needle.
It is kept vertical, suppose on a stand, and here it is allowed to move in vertical plane. Then it is called dip needle. This is magnetic compass needle, rotating in horizontal plane like this. Dip needle rotates in vertical plane. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
If this is Earth's magnetic field, when I'm at this place, suppose X, then this will be the needle in the direction of field tangential.
Yes.
तो इसके दो कंपोनेंट हो सकते हैं ना ऐसे, horizontal vertical. ऐसा every point पे it will happen. If you come here, needle is like this, there can't be any horizontal component. If you come here, this is the field, needle will be like this, you can't have vertical component. Hello. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
ये नीडल ऐसा ही सरफेस पे रहेगा ना, इसको ऐसा, और इधर वाला कैसा रहेगा, ऐसा वर्टिकल ना. तो और बाकी पॉइंट पे इंक्लाइंड हो जाएगा ना नीडल. ठीक है.
Yes.
तो इसका मैं दो कंपोनेंट बना सकता हूँ ना, एक अर्थ को हॉरिजॉन्टल, दूसरा अर्थ को वर्टिकल. ये सरफेस को हॉरिजॉन्टल वर्टिकल. सो दैट एंगल मेड बाय डिप नीडल एट एनी पॉइंट, इट कैन बी हियर आल्सो. इफ दिस इज द फील्ड गोइंग फ्रॉम साउथ, दिस इज नॉर्थ, दिस इज साउथ, फील्ड तो ये डायरेक्शन में रहेगा ऐसा.
Yes, sir.
तो ये नीडल डीप हो गया, इसका आप दो कंपोनेंट बना सकते हैं ऐसे. तो रिजल्टेंट फील्ड, ये हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट है, वर्टिकल. दिस इज कॉल्ड एंगल ऑफ डिप. व्हाट इज दैट कॉल्ड?
Angle of dip.
What is angle of dip then? Angle made by resultant of Earth's magnetic field with its horizontal component. And every point पे it is different. इधर कुछ अलग रहेगा ना फील्ड, ये फील्ड है.
Yes, sir.
फिर तो इसका कंपोनेंट अलग आएगा इधर कुछ, तो ये हॉरिजॉन्टल और ये वर्टिकल अलग हो जाएगा ना इसका. So it is not that कि हर जगह पे सेम एंगल ऑफ डिप होगा. It varies from place to place. Angle of dip, angle made by resultant of Earth's magnetic field. मतलब वही डिप नीडल, डिप नीडल का डायरेक्शन अर्थ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन में होता है, विथ द हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट एट दैट प्लेस, with the horizontal component of Earth's field at that place is called as angle of dip. So if this is horizontal, this is vertical, this is resultant, this is theta. So theta is called as angle of dip, and tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. Copy this much. Let theta be, mostly they ask numerical on this, be angle of dip. Written?
Yes, sir.
This diagram drawn and wrote this tan theta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. एक लाइन और लिख दो. Also, b square equal to bv square plus bx square.
Done, sir.
Okay. This completes our magnetism and magnetic field wala chapter. I have sent you one question set, new question set. Did you get that?
Sir, the one which you sent on Wednesday, right?
Yes, yes, correct.
Yes, yes.
Just open that PDF.
Open, sir.
1 second, huh? First sum try. First one, you got the answer. ये तो पहले किया है ना एक बार. Bar magnet of moment arm length L bent in the form of semicircular arc. The new magnetic moment, this is south pole, north pole. So this will be RR. First is M equal to LM. Next will be M dash is 2R into small m. Therefore, M dash upon M is 2RM upon LM. So M dash upon M is 2R upon length is nothing but pi R. This is length. So 2M upon pi is M dash. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Try second. Next we'll start with next week EMI chapter. Second one, a bar magnet of length 5 centimeter having magnetic moment of 2 ampere meter square is broken into two parts by cutting perpendicular to magnetic axis. This is magnetic axis, we cut it into two parts like this. What is the pole strength? Will pole strength change or it will remain same? Hello?
Sir, it will remain unchanged.
So pole strength is same because you are not cutting along the axis. Pole strength is same. So first pole strength you can find by 2 Lm. So 2 equals to 5 into 10 raised to minus 2. M is 2 upon 5 into 10 raised to minus 2. 200 upon 5, which is 40 ampere meter. Option D. Have you got this earlier?
So I did mistake one.
Pardon?
So I did a mistake.
Acha.
Directly.
You took half.
Yes, sir.
Acha. Half it will become when you are cutting along length. See, dipole moment will become half whether you cut horizontal or vertical. If I am cutting vertical, that means M becomes half, not by pole strength changing, but magnetic length is same. But if I cut along axis, magnetic length is same, pole strength becomes half. Okay?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. लॉन्ग में के लिए लेना है तो जोमेटो की लेना है. जोमेटो जिसको सप्लाई जो सभी सप्लाई करता है वो लेने का ना, जुबिलेंट फूड और मैकडी, बर्गर किंग. हाँ है ना, बेस्ट 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 डेवलपमेंट वही है मैकडी.
Done, sir.
Third one.
So B.
Pardon?
B option.
B option correct because dipole moment is NIA. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Fourth one try. What is answer of fourth? Yes, is it 2? Hello? Option
Yes,
C?
sir.
Okay, okay. Two magnet of equal moment. So this is one dipole moment, south to north. This is another dipole moment. What is angle between these two vector? Is it 120?
Yes, sir.
So resultant is same as one of the vector.
Yeah.
So answer is M. Common mistake will take root 3M.
Done, sir.
Fifth one. Sixth one. Isolated magnetic pole is fictitious entity. नहीं हो सकता है ना अकेला.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Sixth का आंसर then A. When a magnet is heated, it will lose magnetism. Seventh is also A. 8. A thin bar magnet of length 2L is bent at center so that angle between them is 60 degree. Angle is 60 degree. So if this is south pole, this is north pole, this will be now south pole, this will be north pole. New length of magnet is this distance. What will be this distance? Will it be L? Because it becomes equilateral triangle.
Yes, sir.
L is the answer. In case of bar magnet, lines of magnetic induction runs continuously through the bar and outside. That is B. Select the wrong. It is not possible to separate magnetic pole, right? Magnetic dipole moment is vector, right? Direction of magnetic dipole is from north to south, wrong. It is from south to north. 11th. This you will try. Got 11th one? Yes, Parvati, you got 11th?
No, sir.
Or it's very simple. No, we have derived na dipole moment of moving charge. Don't you remember? QVR upon 2. Are you remembering this?
Yeah.
And V is nothing but 2 pi R upon time into R upon 2. 2 cancel. Q is E pi R square upon T. E pi R square upon T is option C. Done? 11th?
Yes, sir.
12th. Two circular coils of radius 3 and 6 are each equivalent to magnetic dipole having equal magnetic moment. Equal magnetic moment. Then current through them. This is I1. A1 will be I2, A2. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
A2 upon A1, R2 upon R1 square, 6 by 3 ka square, 2:1, 4:1. आर बैच का पेपर दिया नहीं संदेश? नहीं, आपने दिया 2020 का पेपर, वो नहीं चाहिए ना, वो तो रिवीजन कराऊंगा मैं। आर बैच का फुल लेंथ का दे तो विद आंसर की सॉल्यूशन है क्या कोई? ठीक है। Done?
Done, sir.
13th one, tell the answer. One answer. Torque formula is mb sin theta. Torque is mb sin theta. M is 0.2 and field is 0.2 into sin 30. So 0.2 into half, 0.02 Newton meter. 14. Tell the answer.
Option A.
Option A correct. All of you got option A?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 15th one. Adjacent figure shows a rectangular coil of N turn, area A, current I, carrying the XY plane, making angle 30 degree. Mounted in XY plane, this is direction of current. Field is making 30 degree with x-axis. What is the magnitude and direction of the torque? Okay. Current is moving in clockwise or in anti-clockwise?
Sir, clockwise direction.
Clockwise. Then dipole moment will be where? M bar. Inward, no? Because this face will behave like south pole.
Yes, sir.
So it will be perpendicular but inwards. This will be M bar ka direction. Perpendicular to the plane but inward. What is formula for torque? N I A B sin theta, correct?
Yes.
अब ये डायरेक्शन में इनवर्ड, तो ये एंगल 30, लेकिन ये 60 हो जाएगा ना एंगल?
Yes, sir.
N into I into A into B, theta is angle between M and B. M and B मतलब ये है ना? Hello? ये
Yes,
line
sir.
वाला है ना?
Yes, sir.
So it will become sine 16. What is sine 16?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. So I got magnitude. Now direction. Tau bar is M bar cross B bar. M is along negative Z, so minus K, and B is along positive X, I. K cross I is what? Is it J?
Yes.
And minus is here. So negative Y axis. Do we have this answer? NIAB root 3 negative Y axis? Option C. Important, sir. Please stick to the planner. I want that you remain in touch with the planner. Any doubt, difficulty, keep on asking.
Done, sir.
Today we stop here. Please, as I said, stick to that planner. Monday we'll start with new chapter, that is EMI.